Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the control center on your iPhone running iOS 18. If you've customized it too much or simply want to start fresh, Apple has made it incredibly easy with the new reset option. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Control Center. This is where you manage all the features and layout of your control center. Step 3. At the bottom of the control settings page, you'll see a button labeled Reset Control Center. Step 4. Tap on this button and a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to reset the control center to its default settings. Step 5. Confirm your selection by tapping Reset. The control center will instantly return to its original configuration, removing any customizations you've made. And that's it! Your control center is now reset to its default state. You can always go back and customize it again if needed. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more helpful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!